Hello friends, welcome back to the Python programming session. In the earlier session, we had seen the Spinbox widget in Tkinter, and in today's session, let's move ahead with the top level widget in Tkinter. So friends, till now we have seen that in a Tkinter application, Tk with parenthesis represents the main window or the parent window. So sometimes we need additional or extra windows in our GUI application. So in order to create these additional windows, we use the top level widget in Tkinter. To create the additional windows, we use top level, or to create top level windows which are instance of the top level class. So to create this top level windows, we use the instance of the top level class. We can create n number of top level windows as we want. So we can create any number of top level windows as we want. And also we can place widgets in the top level window. The top level windows are directly managed by the window manager. They may or may not have the parent window on top of them. So these are the important points about the top level widget in Tkinter. So to create additional or extra windows in the GUI application, we go in for top level widget. Now let's, with the help of a code example, let's see how it works. So when I run this already written code, I get a blue window, which is my parent window or the Tkinter main window. It has got two buttons, the close button and the green window button. Now when I click on the green window button, another window appears. This is the top level window or the additional window. This is the main Tkinter window, the blue color one, and the green one is a top level window. Now even this green window has got two buttons, the close and the red button. Now if I click on red button, another screen appears which is red in color. So which is red in color, and it has got one button, that is the close button. Now if I say close to the red screen, top level red window window, then it will close the application. Similarly, when I say close to the green window, it will close the green window, and the blue window, when I close, it will close the blue window. So whenever we want additional or extra windows in our GUI application, then we can go in for the top level widget. Now let's write the code and execute it and see what the output would be. So win.geometry, I'm giving it equal to 200 by 200 pixels. Win.title, this is the main Tkinter window. I am giving it as the blue window. The title is blue window. And how can I make the window blue in color? For this, I have to give win.config. Config is a method wherein we can change the attributes or the properties of the window. Since we are given win, it will change the properties of the main window. Here, let me give background color equal to blue. And now this blue window has got a button called green window and another button called close. Let's write those two buttons. W1 equal to button, place it in the main window. Text is equal to green window, and command is equal to lambda colon, open is the function which it is calling. Now I have to pack this button onto my screen. So let me say w1.pack side equal to bottom. So when I click on this green window button, the green window should appear. That is, that functionality we have to incorporate in the open function. Now there is one more button called W2 equal to button, which is again placed in the main window, and the text for this is equal to close, and command for this is equal to win.destroy. So it will destroy the window, that is the main window. So we have to give win.destroy. And now let's pack it onto the screen by saying w2.pack side equal to bottom. So these are the two buttons in our main Tkinter window. It is blue in color. It has got a button green window and another button called close. Now we have to write the functionality for open. So when user clicks on the green window, it will call the function def open. Here it will open a new window which is green in color. So we have to create a top level window. So for this variable is identifier, I call it as child equal to top level. Again place it in the main window. Child.geometry again is 200 by 200 pixels, same as the Tkinter main window. And the title for this is child.title is green window. And the configuration, that is the background color for this is child.config bg equal to green. So this we have given it for our top level window. And on this top level window again I'm having two buttons, that is button 3, I call it as W3 equal to button. Place it in the child. This widget I am placing it on my top level window, so which is the child. So I'll call it as child, comma, text for this is equal to red window. So this button is having the text equal to red window, and when I click on this red window, the command which it executes is equal to lambda colon open 1. Let me pack it onto the screen. W3.pack side equal to bottom, and let me have another button which is the close button on the top level window. So W4 equal to button, place it on the main window, text is equal to close, and what is the command? Command equal to child dot destroy. It will destroy the top level top level window which is the child. So I'll call it as child dot destroy. And now again I have to pack it onto the screen. So W4 dot pack side equal to bottom. So this is my open functionality. So when user clicks on the green button in the main Tkinter window, it will call a top level another window which is having geometry 200 by 200, title green window, and background color equal to green. And it is got two buttons on this green window. One is the red window button and the other one is close button. When I click on red window, it will call one more function called open one. So let's write this particular functionality. Def open one, and again let me call it as child2, it's the identifier, equal to top level, place it on the main window, then child2 dot geometry is equal to, again it is 200 by 200 pixel. Child2.title is red window. So it is the red window. And the configuration, I'll change it by using child2.config, and I'll give the background color is equal to red. And it has got one button, which is the close button. So W5 equal to button, place it on child2. This widget I'm placing it on my top level window, which is child2. Child2, text for this would be equal to close, and the command for this is equal to child2.destroy. So it will exit from child2. To.destroy, and I have to pack it onto the screen. So W5.pack, I give side equal to bottom. Then I'm having my main event loop. So this is very simple, friends. I'm having the main Tkinter window, which is blue in color. It has got two buttons, but W1, W2. W1 is the green window button. W2 is the close button. So when user clicks on green window button, it will call the function open. So it will go to open function. It will create a top level window over there. So another additional window, which is having the background color equal to green and title equal to green window. And again this green window, again this green window has got two buttons. One is the red window and the other is the close. So when user clicks on red window, it will call the function open one. In open one, it will create another top level window, which is having red window as the title and the background is equal to red. And this red window has got one button, which is the close. So when user clicks on close, it will destroy this particular top level child2 window. And here if we closes, it will destroy the child window. And here in the main Tkinter, if we closes, it will destroy the main window, that is win. So now let's execute this code and see how it works. So friends, initially I got my blue window. It is the main Tkinter window. So main TK, it has got two buttons. One is the green window and the other one is the close. Now if I click on the green window appears. The green window appears. I think so. I didn't pack my. One second. This button should be on my child window. So now let's execute it. So I have green window and close button in my main Tkinter window. Now let me click on the green window. The green window appears. Again it has got two buttons, the red window and the close. I will click on the red window. The red window appears. So these are the additional windows. Green and red are the additional windows. So we have defined it as top level windows. In the red window, if I click on the close button, it will destroy the window. Again over here if I close, it will destroy the green window. And again over here if I close, it will destroy the main Tkinter window. So this green window and red window are additional windows, and blue window is nothing but our main Tkinter window. So whenever we want additional windows, we can go in for the top level widget in Tkinter. Hope so friends, it was clear for you. If you have any doubts, please do reach to me out in the comment section. If you like my video, click on the like button and please do subscribe to get notifications of my new videos. Till then, see you. Bye bye.